What is a ceramic coating? You've probably heard things like a nano coating, glass coating, or even a hydrophobic coating, but they're all just different names for a ceramic coating. It's a product that's applied to all kinds of different surfaces, like your glass windows, plastic, your paint, and even your wheels. It's typically applied to your vehicle's paint as a long-term protective solution. But what exactly is it? Simply put, it's a liquid glass-like barrier applied by hand to your car. Once dried, it forms a very thin, transparent, glass-like shield that blocks against any environmental contaminants, minor scratches, and water spots, all while protecting your vehicle's paint and enhancing its gloss and shine. Normally, washing your car after a long road trip or driving through harsh weather like rain or mud or snow can be a pain, but when you have your car ceramic coated, that wash is going to be so much easier. You're going to see all that dirt and mud slide off of your paint, restoring your car to like new condition. With proper maintenance, a ceramic coating can last several years, saving you time and money in the long run. Now, if you're looking to get a ceramic coating, do your research and make sure to choose a shop that is certified to install a ceramic coating. Not all ceramic coatings are created equal, and not all ceramic coatings can go on paint. This is Dane with Ceramic Pro, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.